guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you guys, we are doing a wig install. Yes, we are. So you guys, don't worry about this, we're gonna get it all together. As y'all can see, I braided my hair, and so I washed the wig with conditioner. I didn't do shampoo or anything like that because I just felt like the shampoo would make the hair like sticky. So I just did a conditioner rinse on the hair, and then I started blow drying it. So that's basically what it looks like. And then I constructed my middle part, and I'm not gonna do any baby hairs on this wig just because I feel like this is gonna take too much time, and I'm not like a baby hair connoisseur, so I really don't know how to do baby hairs like that. But I might do some later on after I get, you know, like wearing this wig and things like that, and I want to change up the style. Then we will probably put some baby hairs in here. The hair did shed, but not too much. But it did shed like when I washed it and stuff like that. So I just blow dried it. I don't have any got to be spray, so I'm just gonna use my glue. And I didn't even need a flat iron, not a flat iron, but a hot comb, because I used the blow dryer to make this flat as possible. So I'm gonna put it on my head and let you guys see how flat it is, and I'm still blow drying it. So I'm gonna finish blow drying it, and then we're gonna get on to the video. Okay. So let me put this wig on for y'all. The wig is snug, like it's not even tied. It has no straps holding onto anything. The wig is snug, but I'm still gonna put it into a place just because I just want to put it in one. So I'm just gonna put it in. I'm just gonna put it in the first one, even though the wig is like it's not coming off. So you know, once I glue it on, it ain't coming off. So I'm gonna put the wig to one, and then I gotta cut the lace and all that good stuff. But right now I'm just doing the tedious work. So I'm putting my wig on, showing y'all how snug it is. Okay, so we're gonna adjust it. I know it's not like on the right thing, but I just got to finish blow drying it to make it like flatter. But y'all can see like that is flat. So yeah, I'm not gonna do any baby hairs like I said, because let me push this down so y'all can, or push it up a little. There you go. So I'm about to finish blow drying it right quick. Okay y'all, so we are back. You see how flat she is? Let me tell y'all something, that this hair is freaking thick. Okay, it's thick. It's thick. So I'm going to flat iron the hair and whatnot after I get done doing what I'm doing. So I'm going to take this off, cause baby, she is flat and she ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. So I'm going to so this is what she's looking like. Y'all see the hair? It is really good. Okay, so trying to make sure that the pieces are good. Okay, so I'm going to lay her down. I'm gonna lay her down like so. Oop, focus. So now we're about to get back into this cap, y'all. Okay, so I'm not really that good with caps. Don't even be focused. Let me do. Okay, so I don't really know what I'll be doing with these caps. I see y'all be poking a hole like okay, like that. I don't even know if I did that right. I probably cut too much of that, but this is what I see y'all doing. So I honestly don't even need a I don't even need a cap, but I'm gonna put it on because I want to try and see if I can get it. Okay, so I'm using the Forever Ultimate Glue lace holding glue. It says extreme hold up to 4 weeks. Y'all, this glue holds so good. Like it ain't no joke. It really holds up to 4 weeks. So this is what I'm using. Can y'all see? Let me see. So now I'm about to put this on. I'm not gonna put no makeup on my I'm not gonna put no makeup on it because I got a natural cap. This is dried. Okay. I'm gonna put my makeup on after I do this video. I really didn't even need to do a whatchamacallit, but I just did one anyway. But we're gonna make this is gonna be flatter, like to my head flat. So, but this wig is definitely not going anywhere. She is here to stay and slay, baby. Okay. Cause it's still a little wet, but okay, you guys, I'm back. I got some fixing to do. I cut the lace. It's not going nowhere. I'm thinking about doing some baby hairs. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But I am going to flat iron this hair, and then I'm going to put me some makeup on so y'all can see the slay. Like I said, the hair is thick. One thing I didn't see me do is alcohol my face, which I just thought about it after I was cutting the lace off. I was like, dang, I didn't even alcohol my face. But next time I will do it. I want y'all to get a close up. I have to clean my face, but basically, baby, she is done. I'm gonna what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flat iron her and stuff like that. She's still a little wet, but it's not like, you know, too wet. So if you guys like this video, comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And yes, I will do another video like this really soon. So comment down below, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos if you can, you guys. I appreciate the love and support. And I'm out. Oh, hey you guys. So this is me back with my makeup on. And let me put this thing up a little bit more because I'm tall, y'all. I'm 6'3" if y'all didn't know. So your girl gotta get it up there. But I'm back. So I just want to show y'all the finished product. I basically just straightened the hair, and then I just did my makeup. But once I find my curling iron, then I'm gonna curl the hair because I like it straight, but I think I would like it better with some curls in it because, you know, I bought it because I wanted to curl it. But thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. What else?